Hey guys, I got the 10.25-inch AVIN head unit. I don't have enhanced Bluetooth, so I'm going to try to show you the difference in sound between the radio going to the aux port and my phone's aux port going to the aux port in the car, just so you guys can kind of hear the difference. I managed to tweak a few things by routing this device to make the sound quality better. Right now I'm using the head unit reloaded, like the Pro version. It was like $8. It seems to work pretty well. I'm connected to Wi-Fi, so there's no cables right now. But you can notice the music is substantially more flat through this. So let me see if I can catch it on my phone. I don't know how it's going to pick up, just because it's hard to pick up real good audio quality via my phone. But just give me a sec here and we'll get this going. Just gonna play 30 seconds of the song.
Once in a while I ask myself, what am I doing? Once in a while I need your help. But once in a while I feel like, ooh, I just wanna dance and feel good.
Alright, so you can tell it doesn't sound that bad. Like, it's clear and all, but the bass is substantially lacking from it being plugged directly into the aux port. So let me plug this in here, unplug the AVIN unit. Alright, let's see here. Sorry about that. I accident out of car mode kicked my speakers off, but kicked the camera off. Alright, you know how see how the music's like a lot more full? You have like a more rich bass tone to it. Like I said, I'm westbound, down and out. Feeling fake now, like somebody found me out. Need to slow down, I'm drowning out. So many thoughts, let me drown them out. Yeah, I thought I would know. Alright, so I don't know if you're going to be able to tell the difference. I'll listen to it before I post it, but I just kind of want to give you guys an idea of the difference in sound quality. I made it so it's clear now, like I said, but yeah, the bass is lacking, and so far I haven't really found a way to improve that at all yet. But I will keep trying. Thanks, guys.